सर
Yes, yes. But it's
सर आप
not. हाँ, हेलो.
सर आपने उसका हाइट कैसा बदला सर? लाइक द थिंग इज कि इसमें जो रिवर जो अभी आप बोला था ऐड करने के लिए,
हम्म.
सर लाइक उसमें लाइक हाइट एडजस्ट नहीं हो रहा ना सर उसका।
नहीं, ये तो कनेक्ट करेक्ट नहीं है. फॉर दिस आई नीड टू क्रिएट एन. जस्ट डिलीट. क्रिएट लैंडस्केप. हाइट. क्रिएट. So until now, unless I create this, it won't work. Then let's see. All landscape was nice. This is something I'm doing. Create something just randomly. Okay, I need that auto blend. Landscape material. We have to go and create all those things. Generated. Now river. Drag drop this.
सर आपका पूरा लैंडस्केप ब्लैक हो गया, कुछ दिख रहा नहीं है।
Black हो गया. No problem. So it will be back.
सर बट ये जो वाटर बॉडी रिवर जब ये यूज कर रहा सर, वो लाइक नीचे एक लेयर क्रिएट कर रहा ना सर। लाइक आई वांट वॉल्यूम एंड लिटिल बिट ऑफ हाइट टू इट।
Hmm. Array, why it's not working?
सर उसको ऊपर मूव करना पड़ेगा शायद थोड़ा।
नहीं, मूव करने से भी मूव हो नहीं रहा वो. इट्स नॉट मूविंग. Why it's not moving?
So there are two splines.
No, only one spline only. That's sky. Why this water is not working? It works like without anything.
Sir, it does like Zoom का issue होगा maybe. Sir, it's still compiling issue.
Still compiling. That's good. But Zoom से Unreal का like what connection?
Sir, actually, Zoom takes up a lot of memory, sir.
But why it's not working properly? I move the entire landscape only, but like it should. It basically connects with the landscape, and based on the landscape, generate everything. So like, why
Yes, sir.
it's working very like strange way. One sec. There's some issue. New. Don't save. Landscape. Edit layer is on. Material. Let's use landscape auto blend material and create. It's called something I have created. Quickly, there's no light in this scene. Let's add a light. Water. Oh, now it's working.
Yeah, but sir, ये ऐसा नहीं चाहिए, sir. Like, this is creating a patch, right?
Hmm.
Sir, I need like proper volume जैसा, like वो स्ट्रक्चर वैसा बना है कि सर उसमें वो पैच ऐसा बराबर एक तो बराबर वर्क नहीं हो रहा है बिकॉज इट्स नॉट प्रॉपरली फ्लैट. तो लाइक जो भी फ्लैट एरिया है वहां पर ही क्रिएट हो रहा है और जो नॉन फ्लैट एरिया है वहां पर क्रिएट नहीं हो रहा है. एंड प्लस वो सर बहुत अजीब दिख रहा है लाइक दैट रिवर थिंग डजंट वर्क लाइक.
So you like I didn't understand. Like you want
सर
to.
इफ आई कैन लाइक शेयर माय स्क्रीन आई कैन लाइक शो यू.
Hmm.
थोड़ा सा अंडरस्टैंड वो समझ में आ जाएगा सर.
Okay, share it.
सर आप
Again,
शेयर.
I switched on this thing, but I cannot stop sharing. What is wrong? Zoom is not
हाँ
working.
सर हो गया अभी सर.
Okay, fine. Thank God. Huh. Now I can share.
ये सर क्या
Hmm.
सर आपको स्क्रीन दिख रहा है ना.
Huh.
हाँ सर ये सेटअप में बोल रहा था सर लाइक दिस पोर्शन इज लाइक लाइक दिख रहा है ना सबसे हाइट डाउन
Hmm.
वो एरिया का है तो सर यहाँ से पानी जाएगा टिल दिस लाइक टिल दिस लेवल द वाटर विल कम
Okay.
टू गिव दैट लाइक वाटरी फील लाइक सर रेफरेंस में भी वैसा ही है सर लाइक
Hmm.
रेफरेंस में ऐसी तरह पोर्शन एक ओशन कनेक्टेड है सर.
Hmm.
तो सर आई वांटेड दैट सर बट रिवर वाला ये जो आपने बोला ये ऐसा डालेगा तो it doesn't have any height to it sir like ये ऐसा आ रहा है. And sir
हाइट
इधर
ऐड
like
कर सकता तुम.
हाँ like height the fall off ऐड होगा ना, मतलब कौन सा height ऐड करना है? I didn't understand like.
सर लाइक दिस हाइट सर, ये वाला हाइट
हाँ तो ये ऐड तो हो रहा है height
डेप्थ
पूरा.
डेप्थ
सर, बट ये तो सर ये लैंड ऊपर आ रहा है ना सर, लैंडस्केप भी ऊपर जा रहा है, उसके वजह से हाइट आ रहा है ना सर. आई नीड सम वॉल्यूम टू द वाटर सर.
ओ इफ यू वांट दैट वो डेप्थ में हो जाएगा. आई वाज डूइंग दैट यस्टरडे.
नहीं,
डेप्थ.
फॉल ऑफ सेटिंग्स में है, ऊपर ही रहता है,
ऊपर ही रहता है स्टार्टिंग में ही.
सबसे ऊपर रहता है. नीचे जाइए वाटर बॉडी टाइप. हाँ हियर हियर हियर.
Water height setting, height map setting, curve settings,
यस सर.
all these settings are there.
हाँ फॉल ऑफ सेटिंग्स में जा. इसमें है डेप्थ वो दे. विड्थ को एंगल में चेंज कर.
Just with fall off mode, fall off mode.
You can change edge offset and all. इनमें से किया था. I added depth to my water. The river will go down.
ओके.
And you can increase the width of the certain spline areas also.
ओके. ओके. ठीक है सर, मैं एक बार ट्राई कर लेता हूँ.
सर बट एक डाउट और है.
Hmm.
सर वो रिवर डालने से there's this side का fall off. I couldn't figure out how to remove that. Like the landscape पे जो आ रहा ना सर cut.
This thing,
हाँ.
this thing, this line you're talking about, right? You want
Yes yes sir.
इसका, let's see. यहाँ पे हमारा ये this
Width.
0 कर दिया, इसको 0.1 रखा तो हो जाएगा. Because this depth will be there wherever you have this water, there will be slight deformation, right?
Yes sir.
So वो deformation तो रहेगा ही. And rest so I can blend like with angles and like change work. This offset also can be controlled. So I can change this blend mode to additive also, minimum, maximum. And then also I can see, I can control.
वो मोड की वजह से हो रहा है ब्लेंड में.
The entire thing. So each and every जो points is spline का point है, you can select that and change, modify things, or you can select the whole and then also change everything stuck again. What is going on with the system?
सर वो जूम का ही है सर, आप एक बार टास्क मैनेजर लेके जूम का देखिए सर, मेमोरी यूसेज
Well,
ज्यादा
in
रहेगी.
Zoom is like using 5% only. Like सब कुछ free है. Why it's so slow? कुछ भी तो नहीं चल रहा है. So इसको we can blend and then we can cover up all these sections जो भी हमको चाहिए. We can add rocks and like foliage and something and blend all these sections, and इसको भी I can modify landscape. This fall off is there, so this thing, because there is a erosion, right? So that thing we have to control manually. इसको like this थोड़ा थोड़ा करते हैं. Right click, add one other spline, control it, modify, and then I can add rocks and foliage and other stuff and blend everything. And then we have an ocean body. So we can have ocean. See if it is working properly. Same इसका भी have to connect, we control all the fall off and everything. And बिल्कुल काम करेगा. बन गया river. But this is not auto blend material. This is some nonsense material. So water Sara work, and this river, this thing also can select. See, angle I change that this thing is no angle was fine. Compile quickly. Compiled. Now landscape, and now I have all this blend. So if you want to paint grass, you can paint grass. No, nothing is assigned yet. That's why. It's compiling everything. Now it should work. Now it's compiling also fast. Yeah. So now you can see if I want, I can paint rock wherever I want to paint. And if I want to paint grass, I can paint grass also. And by default, with auto blend, these things will generate. And that is something I control with the help of this fall off and blend all this thing. So
Yes.
one, one, So it's generating automatically. If I sculpt it properly, it will give me better result. See, it's auto blending. It's creating all those things automatically. And now let's see displacement. Displacement, tessellation, make it increase 20 or something. It's working.
So what does tessellation do?
Tessellation is basically virtually increasing the poly count, because without poly count, polygons you cannot displace.
Okay.
So, but again, it will be heavy on the system, right?
Yes, yes, it will be heavy on system. So that's why we avoid displacement as much as possible. I can paint wherever I want to paint what. And if this styling is too much, I will suddenly now displacement is not working at all. It's correct. Let's see. Displacement tiling, displacement default value is 0, vertex normal, so just 2 minus those 2, there is no displacement. So layer, correct, all displacement, correct. I can't see any displacement here. It's strange.
Sir, it's because grass does not have any displacement.
No, like wherever I apply display, it should work. Strangely, but it's not working. Okay, only rock is activated. Let's see. It's compiling, it's showing displacement. Okay, but here I just modify. Now it's much better. Still these compile. There is no error, correct? Why it's compiling again and again? Why it's taking so much time? Oh, finally, something compiled. Oh, now it's displacing. I switched on crack field displacement. It's pretty crack. There's something wrong, like with my system or something. Disconnected here so that like my output. Delete all nonsense. Oh, ink, nothing. It's working, but like it's not working the way I want. Like nicely form those cracks and rocky surface. It's not creating that. What's wrong with this? That increase, reduce. Okay. Okay. It's working, but why it's creating these cracks? Yeah, crack preview is on. Then
So
why it's
you turned it on somewhere.
yeah, it's on only.
Okay.
Okay, distance field I have to control. It's working, but it's way too much. World setting. Um, okay, rendering. I can increase the distance. Why it's not working? That's light map. Displacing, but it's creating issue based on the distance. Let's see what is wrong with this. Maybe with this rock and grass. Rock and grass. I guess this displacement doesn't work properly with blend. Maybe I'm not sure. Uh, so grass is 0.
So should I just delete the displacement maps?
That like that is also we can do, but like that's what I'm checking. Like why it's not working with world aligned spin.